My name is Jamie Lukeman. I'm a transmission distribution supervisor with Nova Scotia Power. I work at the Annie Ganesh office, although today we're at the Truro training facility. We're doing training here today on live work, and the reason why we do work on our electric system live is for customer service. So we can keep a line energized to perform any maintenance activities, installation, or replacement, then our customers are not impacted by a customer outage. This training facility is not connected to the electric system. It is completely isolated. So there's nothing energized here, although we're using live line methods and training to those. When you actually perform the live line work on a live line, things aren't that forgiving. So we want to make sure that we have all our skills and tools and training to ensure that we don't make a mistake on an actual live line. If you understand how to do something in a controlled environment, you can understand how to apply that information on actual live line setting. And if you make a mistake in a training facility, nothing serious is going to happen, but a mistake on an actual energized line could be very hazardous. So we want to make sure that all our skills and all the new things that we develop and we train to are done in a controlled fashion. Safety is for our employees as well as the customers. Safety is the #1 priority for us.